So you've heard me sort of talk a little about logistics, but why? Optioneering is the first one that comes to hand. Yes, it might be that you can get a mobile crane to lift your pallets onto the top of your building for the final floor, but that's more expensive than a telehandler that can do the same job. And you can look at other factors that go in there as well. So as you can see in that video, briefly there was a viewpoint from inside the telehandler. So it's all well and good that the telehandler can reach, but you also need somebody on the top there to tell the telehandler whether they're clear to lower it down and whether they've reached it. Whereas, a mobile crane might not necessarily have that issue, and a tower crane certainly does. But again, you're increasing your costs. So you can do these simulations to visualize which resources you can use, and use that evidence to formulate which resource you're going to go and actually get for a site. Because, for example, an extra 200 steps a day over a 12-month project is about 30 miles wasted of time and energy, and that time is time that you're paying somebody, so that can equate to hundreds of thousands of pounds in man hours. So it's extremely important that you're not just bringing your supplies to site and just dropping them anywhere. You're actually optimizing where that's happening and where your loading and unloading activities are happening.